Hi guys, so this is Thankyou, which is an amazing herbal natural brand, and if you're suffering from hair loss, hair damage, split ends or hair breakage, this is the perfect combination for you. This is the shampoo and this is the hair oil. Upon using for a month, I've seen incredible results. My hair used to fall daily in bunches, but since I've started using Thankyou and I've ordered it again, it's really helped. And then let me show you some of their other products. And I'm a huge fan of their soaps, guys, because the soaps are completely herbal. The soaps that we often use are often full of chemicals and other ingredients and toxins that are harmful for your skin. But these are completely herbal and they have a gentle whitening effect. And they also smell great and they moisturize your skin from the inside out. So I would highly recommend switching to these soaps if you're using other commercial soaps. And this has got to be my favorite. This is their Upton mask that you apply on your hands or your face, wherever you need it, and it gives you an instant whitening glow. So it's one of the wonder products that you need to buy today. So this is our range of Thankyou, highly recommended. All the products are something different, all are natural. So do shop, guys.